welcome back to my channel. And this is me, Johnson Blessing. Today we are going to learn Streamlit. So this is the code which I've done in our previous episode. So if you have missed it, no worries. I have attached the uh, link in the description. Today we are just going to give it a little upgrade. So as we see, contact method. So, contact method. If the user chooses email, the box should appear for the email address. But here it appears only for the mobile number defaultly. So, if the user chooses phone, it this this code might be correct. So, what if the user chooses email? So, to fix this problem, we're going to delete this piece of code. Next, we are going to add a condition. So, if contact method is double equal to phone, so if the contact method is phone, so contact should be st dot text input. So there should be an text input. Inside the text input, we can type like enter your mobile and a mobile number. So, what if the user chooses email? For this problem, we can use else and a colon. So, else contact. So, contact is equal to st dot text input. In this, the user should type the email address. So, enter your email. It's done. So, next for this upgrade, we are going to add a small button. Before that, if you need to check if this works, you can check your code side by side. Just need to simply run it. As you see this code, and at the end, you need to type Streamlit run. So next, you type the file's full name including .py. It is episode 7.py. Even if there's a spelling mistake in the typing, the code won't run. So click enter. So as you can see, my program has here. So I'm going to close it. So it doesn't URL. To view our code side by side with coding here on Windows, you can press Ctrl Shift P. So an arrow mark appears here. So here you can type simple browser. Here, simple browser show. So here we are going to type the URL. So our URL is this. It's going to be copying this again. Paste the URL and just give enter. So we get this. So to this, prevent this from switching, just give this double side view button and just drag and drop it here. And there I'm going to hide this and hide the terminal. So done. This might not show the full web page, but it will be easier to view for you to view this. So here I'm going to give phone. So enter your mobile number. Great. So if you email, enter your email. Works perfectly, right? Next, as I said, we are going to add a button. So if st dot button success. So success is a button name. So it will enter our just appear a green color thing after submitting our details like about yourself and your email address. This I'm going to press enter. So why are you given this if condition? Because after this button is pressed, what should it do? For a normal button for doing nothing, you don't need to give this if things. So I'm going to write st dot success on a double quotation. So I'm going to give one to asterisk details submitted. So I'm giving a message like details are submitted. So to reload this, you can just click this reload button. So as you can see, the button called success. So I'm going to change the phone into chocolate. So type out yourself. Hi, I am Jonathan. So I'm not going to be entering any mobile number. Success. Details submitted. So works perfect, right? Next, we are going to give another thing like st dot contact. Right, right. So it will be writing a simple text like, let's see, contact method. So contact method is going to be a comma to separate this, and we are going to write contact method. So here it is, contact method. So let's check it. So hi, welcome to my page. I want to give email, type about yourself. Hi, I am Johnson. So I'm not going to be giving any email address. Success. Details submitted. Contact method, email. Great, right? Next, I want to type st dot, let's say, the ice cream flavor. So I want to write flavor ice cream. The flavored ice cream is going to be like, let's say, ice cream. So the favorite method is ice cream. So let's close this up. And let's check it, shall we? Phone. So I'm going to pick chocolate. About myself, it's going to be just my name and my mobile number. I'm not going to be giving anything. Success. So details submitted. Contact method is phone. Favorite ice cream is chocolate. So you might be wondering why I'm giving all this asterisks. So asterisks makes the text a little bit bold. So it might be good like contact method is phone. So you can add this or it's your option. Next, I want to write about ourselves. So as we have repeated here, we can just repeat it here. St dot write double quotations asterisk about. So I'm not even giving this in bold, so the user don't doesn't confuse. So lastly, I'm going to be giving a greeting for visiting a website. That's a good thing. So st dot text. So just a plain text like thanks for visiting and an emoji, uh, also a happy emoji. So it's done. So just gonna be reloading this page. So as you can see, phone chocolate. Next, I want to type hi, 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 Jonathan. Next, I'm not going to be entering the mobile number. Success. So details submitted. So as you can see, it's in green color. So as I said, button. So contact method, phone, favorite ice cream, the chocolate. So about. So here there's a mistake. So this is about in variable, right? Sorry about that. Next, I'm going to leave that message. Hi. So upload one month for an email. Success. So my details are submitted. Contact method, email, favorite ice cream stuff. Thanks for visiting. And if you want, you can just copy this. So it's not like we can't copy this. You can just copy our thing and we can just paste it anywhere. So it's done. And so this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Until then, bye.